Welcome to our video on essential phrasal verbs. Learn 20 common phrasal verbs with their opposites, meanings, and example sentences to boost your English vocabulary and comprehension. Put away. To place something in its proper location. She put away the groceries. Take out. To remove something from a place. He took out the book from the shelf. Turn up. To increase the intensity or level of something. She turned up the volume on the radio. Turn down. To decrease the intensity or level of something. He turned down the heat. Fill up. To make something full. He filled up the tank with gas. Empty out. To remove everything from inside something. She emptied out the contents of her bag. Pick up. To lift something. She picked up the book. Put down. To place something down. He put down the heavy box. Check in. To register upon arrival. They checked in at the hotel. Check out. To settle the bill and leave a hotel. She checked out of the hotel. Give away. To donate or distribute something. She gave away her old clothes. Keep. To retain possession of something. He decided to keep the gift. Wake up. To stop sleeping. She wakes up early every day. Fall asleep. To begin sleeping. He fell asleep during the movie. Get up. To rise to a standing position. He got up from the chair. Lie down. To recline or rest. She lay down on the bed. Put together. To assemble something. He put together the new furniture. Take apart. To disassemble something. She took apart the broken device. Thank you for watching and subscribe.